just about up there, just about overhead, the two airplanes, and I see the jumper coming down now. Jumper is away. You see a little dot coming down, and then you'll see a chute very shortly.
He's not out yet. There he goes.
See a little dot up there? First thing coming there.
And that's Sean Tucker flying around our jumper. And very shortly he will deploy a very large American flag, if it is not out already. Gregory Stacey, our jumper today. And the flag is out. And this will officially, when he's on the ground, open our #3 air show here at New Smyrna Beach. Lots to come yet, lots to come. Sean Tucker circling the jumper, and he's going to be flying that airplane later on in the show today. Troy Mitchum will be singing our national anthem as Greg Stacey, our jumper, gets closer with that huge American flag.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hail at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets regular, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner